This is a final video to fix your Pixel 7 Pro stuck at 60 Hz, even though it should run at 120 Hz on Android beta. Are you frustrated that your screen doesn't feel smooth and games lag a bit? This usually happens because the system temporarily limits the refresh rate to save battery, or due to a small bug in the beta software. Many guides online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't even work, leaving you stuck. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes it in seconds without complicated settings or root access. All you need to do is a simple toggle inside the developer options that forces the screen back to 120 Hz and makes everything buttery smooth again. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll make a detailed tutorial for you.